it's me, Yash. I'm gonna do a science experiment today. Do you wanna do a science experiment? You do? I am so excited. A science experiment is when we mix lots of cool things together and we find out what happens. Let's do that today. For my science experiment, I'm gonna make something super cool and fun, and it's loads of fun to play with when we're all done. The thing I'm gonna make is called oobleck. Do you wanna say oobleck with me? You do? Okay, let's say it together. It's called oobleck. Oobleck is super cool because it's two things in one. It's both a solid and a liquid. Before we make it, do you want to spell solid and liquid with me? You do? You're so good at wanting to learn all the time. Okay, first, let's spell solid. S-O-L-I-D. That's S-O-L-I-D. Solid. Next, let's spell liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Liquid. That's all. You're such a good speller. Well, oobleck, like I said, it's a solid and a liquid. But you might be wondering, what's a solid and what's a liquid? Well, a solid is something that doesn't change shape, but a liquid can. I've got a solid here. It's a cute little submarine, and no matter what I kind of do with it, it always goes back to its normal shape because it's shaped like a submarine. And it's a solid. But I've also got some water here, and this water is a liquid. And that means I can put it into another container, and look, it'll take that container's shape. It moves around, and that is called a liquid. But oobleck, well, oobleck is a solid and a liquid. We can make it a solid, and then sometimes it's also a liquid and it moves around. Should we make it together now? That's right. You ready? Okay, let's go. To make oobleck, you just need 2 ingredients and maybe 3. That's only if you want to make your oobleck colorful. I wanted to make mine red. Well, the first ingredient you need is cornstarch, or some people call it corn flour. And you can get that at the supermarket. Do you remember when you went to the supermarket with me? And the second ingredient you need is just some water. And my water is red because I did use a third ingredient. And that third ingredient was food coloring. So you just need 2 ingredients or 3. Corn flour and water. Let's start by mixing in a cup of corn flour. That's 1 cup of corn flour. Do you want to spell cup with me? You do? You're such a good speller. Here's how we spell cup. K-U-P. C-U-P. Cup. Let's put the corn flour in now. The next ingredient you need is water, and you just add it slowly to our corn flour, and you need about a half a cup. Should we do that now? Let's go. I'm all finished making my oobleck. You might be wondering, why does it just look like a liquid? It's just moving around the bowl. Well, here's the fun bit. It's also a solid. So if I pick it up with my hands and squish it together, I can make it into a ball. But if I let go, it goes back to being a squishy, slimy liquid. Do you want to try that again? I'm going to squish it up. And I'm going to make it into a snowball. Wow! Maybe you can have a snowball fight with your friends. But guess what? It really quickly turns into a squishy, slimy liquid. Isn't that cool? It's a bit like magic, but it's science. See you next time. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.